Sorry, Mrs. Rogers, I'm trying to locate your account. Just bear with me.
Call centres. They don't always have the best reputation. Complicated procedures, multiple systems to learn, switching constantly between the CRM, ordering, finance, call logging and appointment diary. The list goes on. It can become overwhelming and confusing for even the most experienced agents. More importantly, this disconnect can create long-winded workflows and lead to costly errors, not to mention painful call delays, which means missed opportunities. Synthesys from Noetica transforms this process by bringing all these systems into one simple, intuitive solution, which can integrate everything seamlessly into the background. Synthesys scripted apps give clear instructions to agents without being intrusive. They guide agents from hello to goodbye, while allowing them to express their own personal style with customers. Whichever direction the conversation takes them, Synthesys will dynamically nudge agents with the appropriate set of actions to ensure the call feels effortless for the customer. Having everything working in synergy means agents can calmly listen and address their query without constantly worrying they might have missed a crucial detail or input screen. Synthesys is transforming the way call centres are reducing the stress for both the caller and the agent.
No problem. Pleasure was all mine. Take care.
When a client comes to us and they've got a specific process they want to run, we're able to build it within Synthesys to match that exactly. It's very simple to set up, to do complex things with it. As a multi-client agency call centre, that was absolutely essential. A lot of our clients will come up with a process and then after a few weeks they want to change that process. Synthesys enables us to do that. For the agents, it's an incredibly user-friendly system. Once they've been trained on Synthesys, they understand how it works, they understand the principles behind it. The agents are given the tools to do the job, but without completely relying on just their memory at all times, which, does go a long way to helping the staff stay happier because they're more confident, they know what they're doing. You really do sort of provide a nice, secure environment for the agents.
Whether your contact centre operation is inbound or outbound, sales or service, centralised or distributed across many sites, don't replace your existing systems. Integrate them using Synthesys. Outbound dialing technology has a terrible reputation for being a nuisance and the cause of distress to the vulnerable amongst us.
Hi, can I speak to Mrs. Joyce, please? I understand that you're currently with ABC Energy, and I believe I can save you a considerable amount of money each month. Are you interested?
Like any effective technology, it has the potential to be misused by unscrupulous operators.
Hi, Mr. Khan. I believe you've missed the last 3 payments on your mortgage. Mrs. Chang, how are you? I'm calling about your recent car accident. Hi there, can I speak to Mrs. Jones, please? Mr. Roberts? Miss White? Mr. Ashley?
Noetica takes this very seriously and have developed unique, patented technologies to encourage responsible use of dialers. Under the umbrella of our Smartbound initiative, we are eradicating silent and abandoned calls, telephone harassment, and other bad practices. We do all of this without losing the effectiveness and efficiency of our predictive dialer. We are working with regulators around the world to ensure that our patented technology is meeting regulations and enabling you to keep a high success rate. Unlike any other predictive dialer, our Snowdrop technology is highly efficient yet keeps abandoned calls to 0%. Our live person detection technology uses AI to detect all answering machines accurately without generating a single silent call.
Smartbound provides a one-stop shop, seamless dialer that better connects the agent to the customers and provides a strong, efficient and compliant platform. The system provides an amount of control. It stops us from deviating from how we should dial. Smartbound features such as Snowdrop help meet regulations. Ofcom require the 0% drop call rate. Any drop calls that the dialer may create are then passed into an inbound agent, which is part of the outbound team and rotates around the system. We still maintain a steady efficiency whilst managing that 0% drop rate. It reduces repetitiveness for the agents. We end up with happier customers. They're not receiving silent calls. And from a company point of view, we've got less idle time, more productivity from the agents that we're paying.
Using Noetica's technology, you can be sure that when an agent is talking to a customer, they will not have been annoyed by any abandoned or silent calls prior to this next agent call, making them much more receptive to what they have to say.
Hi, David. I can see that you are eligible for an upgrade and a free 6 months of membership. We'll get that sorted for you now. Okay, thank you. All the best.
These days, the telephone is no longer a device. It's a concept, an app on your mobile. Contact centres have been slow to adapt to this new world, to this change. Of course, we recognise that telephony is still an essential part of the contact centre's needs. It is the enabler upon which everything else rests. At Noetica, we offer our voice platform at a fraction of the cost of other suppliers, without tying you to expensive carriers or lengthy contracts. With Noetica, you're free to find the carrier that works best for your budget, as our system interfaces seamlessly to most SIP providers. Our Noetica Voice Platform, or NVP for short, provides a complete, self-contained solution delivering crystal clear, highly configurable and reliable telephony. The platform also features everything else you would expect from a modern call centre telephony platform. A rich interactive voice response unit and an automated call distributor, complete with a range of original features as well as more standard ones such as skills and ability-based routing, remote monitoring, barging and agent assist functions. Full dual-channel call recording comes as standard and links directly into Noetica's CRM system, allowing easy retrieval of recordings by customer profiles, something that conventional voice recorders would normally struggle to deliver. The full picture is completed by a web-based, secure call player, allowing remote or local users to easily search for call recordings and stream them directly to their device. The call player also delivers a fully configurable quality monitoring capability by leveraging the Noetica scripting. Combine Noetica's voice platform with our other two pillars, Synthesys and Smartbound, and you have a complete solution to maximise your effectiveness and efficiency as a contact centre.
To migrate to the voice platform was for us a very straightforward project. It uses standard telephony protocols. This allowed us to build the new Noetica platform and then integrate it with other areas of the business that still had legacy systems. The platform overall is incredibly flexible. We can meet many client requirements literally out of the box. The architecture of the voice platform is very scalable. As we grow, we build new server modules and they provide us with more capacity. It makes a lot of sense as we grow and will save us an awful lot of cost in future.
Noetica are pushing the boundaries in contact centre innovation, efficiency and productivity, underpinned with great value telephony delivered through our voice platforms. It is the applications that sit on top of the telephony platform, making the real difference to performance and ultimately financial results. It's not very different from this thing we all carry around in our pockets. The phone is just an app. It's all the other apps that make the real difference.